GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. Now, before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and check out these links. Join Telegram for free if you want, and check out the brokers, join them, sign up with them, and check out these links, pay my fees, and blah blah blah. So help yourself in your free time. And coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have hammer. This week, sellers could not, take the control, so we pushed up. Buyers came in and pushed up the market. Okay, so let's come back to daily. In daily, we are still above the EMA rejection as count. Clearly, we're gonna go up. Okay, this is your entry. If you are a daily chart trader, this is your hammer in daily chart. You will make your entry here. Where is my long position right here? That's my entry, and then you know what to do. Okay, so that's it. Hammer is there in GBPUSD. This is a rejection from the EMA with a bullish hammer. You enter here whenever the market opens. Okay, if you trade in daily chart, because if you trade in daily chart, then you don't worry about what happens in 4 hour, 2 hour, or half an hour or 1 hour. Okay, as per daily chart, make your entry long position here and then take your first profits here. Otherwise, you know what to do. Okay, if I would be you, I will enter here and I will take my first profit somewhere here. Coming back to 4 hour, 4 hour tells you the same story. This was your uptrend, pullback 78%, engulfing blue candle. That's my entry. That's your long position right here. First profits after 50 pips. Okay. So in 4 hour, if you enter long as soon the market opens, then right now the price is 3504. Exit out at 3554. Take 50 pips, walk away. Okay. Now it's quite simple. Uptrend, pullback until 78%. It's a very sexy deep pullback. Okay, after the pullback you had the engulfing candle which has engulfed these almost 3 candles, and also it closed above the EMA. You don't get any more confirmation other than that. This is your entry. Close your eyes, enter, take your 50 pips and get lost. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, check out the brokers, pay my fees, subscribe, like, blah blah blah. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.